can I feel right when you're not by my side? Strange that I'm here all alone as I recall the happy times, the happy songs, the perfect rhymes. How can I go on? How can I move on? How can I, Mr. C?
Mga kaibigan, we'd like to thank again Leia, of course, and Mr. C. Mr. C, ang ganda ng kanta mo. I was so beautiful, Leia. And when Sharon returns, we will have more of Leia. Don't go away.
Can't you see it's just no good? I've got to walk out that door. There's nothing left to say. I've got to go my way.
Awit ng mga sabi.
I don't know anymore. Can't you see it's just no good? I've got to walk out that door. There's nothing left to say.
I can't live without you.
I've got to go my way.
Okay.
Try and understand.
Okay.
If there's no other way, then go.
Wala na siya magawa eh. Sige, lumayas ka na kung gusto mo lumayas. Yun, duet yan originally.
Yes, and it was a duet with Ariel for this album.
Ah, you did a duet with
Yes.
Ariel. Okay, and who composed
Only
the
for
song?
the brave Butch Montserrat.
Butch
It was a
Montserrat.
beautiful song. We've known this song since we were like I was in my early teens. I know, it was so famous.
I was really, really small.
By
when I first heard
the
it.
Something Special ba? Diba?
Something Special, New
Ernie
Minstrels.
and
Luan.
Luan. Oo, galing. Anyway, Leia, what is the title of this new album?
By Heart.
After Leia in Love, Leia by Heart. Naman,
You know-
puro ano eh. Puro
May
makabagbag
reference to By Heart.
Oo,
Yeah,
wait,
there's
would
always
you
a
like to
reference.
invite not only your fans, but music lovers all over?
Yes, to everybody watching Sharon's
We're
show.
seen in the States also.
Yes, to everybody in the States and to everybody here in the Philippines. Please, I hope you patronize the new album. It's called By Heart under BMG Pilipinas. Mr. C produced the album. My brother Gerard, I have to plug him. He arranged 3 of the
The
songs.
conductor.
If you need him to arrange anything for you, just
He's
say
here
so.
ba now? He's here
No,
now?
he's in the States. But
he will fly home.
He can arrange whatever for you.
Wonderful.
Under BMG Pilipinas po, please buy the album. And I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you, BMG, for bringing us Leia, and we'd like to thank also the Western Philippine Plaza where we are this evening. Salamat naman. Nakaalis na naman kami sa studio, pero namimiss din natin, di ba? Anyway, I would like to thank you, Leia, for giving us
Very
this
welcome.
chance.
My pleasure.
Talaga.
I had a great time.
And I hope that next time, where are you going to be again?
I'm going to be in New York, and then after New York, in London for Miss Saigon's 10th anniversary. After that,
Are you going to do it again in London?
No, I'm just
Visiting lang.
just
Okay,
going to indulge myself.
maybe I will go to New
Then
York.
Singapore.
Maybe I'll see you. Okay, New York and Singapore is not bad to go to. Okay. Basta where you're singing, we'll see you again. And thank you, Leia. Thank
You're
you.
very
This is one of our favorite episodes on Sharon. And we would like to say thank you also to everybody's dream MD, dream
MD.
teacher, dream. And he's such a sweet
We
man.
love you, Mr. C.
We love you because you're not only a genius, but you're also sweet to us. And we learn a lot from you. Thank you, Mr. C. Thank
very
you.
welcome.
Okay, and Leia, so we will sing this song. My sister-in-law, Angeli, wrote the lyrics of this song. And of course, my brother-in-law, Gary Valenciano, originally did it. But now, it's become just a tad more special because Miss Leia Salonga has included this in her new album, Leia by Heart. Let's all
Not this one.
get our...
No.
not this one ba?
No.
Ah, pero favorite mo rin to.
Oh, yeah. I
Okay,
did the
ako.
movie, and this was the theme.
Exactly. That's the movie I saw.
Stars
That's the one
naman.
directed by
By Olive Lamasa.
Yes. Okay, so mga kaibigan, we will sing yung palang significance na sana
You-
maulit-ulit. With Aga. Okay.
Aga.
This is for all of you. Thank you,
Very
Leia.
welcome.
Sana maulit muli ang mga oras natin nakaraan. Bakit nagkaganito? Naglaho na ba ang pag-ibig?
Kahapon, bukas, ngayon, tanging wala nang ibang mahal. Kung kaya kong iwanan ka, di na sana aasa pa. Kung kaya kong umiwas na, di na sana lalapit pa. Kung kaya ko sana, ibalik ang kahapon, sandaling di mapapantayan. Huwag sana nating itapon pagmamahal na tapat. Kung ako'y nagkamaling minsan, di na ba mapagbibigyan? O giliw, dinggin mo ang awit ko. Kung kaya kong maiwanan ka, di na sana